Give you my heart.
Hi there, YouTubers. Today I'm coming to you guys with the corn, potato, and egg mukbang with my daughter Sadie. And I have water to drink.
And I have sweet tea.
So let's get started. I got a spoon because I want to make sure I get some onions on my potatoes, corn, all of that stuff. So it's hot, so be careful. So, and if you don't hear, go cut that TV off because they're not even in there. You don't hear Imani and Winter over here playing in the car. Don't run over the baby. Yeah, they're over there playing in that car. They're not really getting anywhere because it's kind of stuff. What you think?
It's pretty good.
The sauce?
Yes, ma'am.
Not too spicy?
It's not spicy.
Okay. I thought I made it a little bit too spicy for it, but I guess I didn't. But it's going down wrong because I always suck this sauce up. That look weird. Sorry. Excuse me. I'm gonna get another potato. Because I know that corn is way too hot to take on now. Yo, I mean, see what she put in her mouth. Hurry up. Thank you. Because you closer to get out. Wow. What is that?
A magnet.
Hell.
Get my scarf.
Can I help you?
I'm sorry.
Sit down. Sit down, sit down.
No.
Eat.
Hold on.
I can't eat it, Mommy.
The hot.
It's good on. Turn that down. It's nice to join us, Winter. I'm gonna turn it down. He turned it up. Alright, thank you. You want an egg?
I can't even.
How you get both the eggs?
No egg. I want egg.
And Mommy, your hair's in the way.
She's putting her hair in my face. Mm-hmm. I know we're not doing much talking. She is not in school today, you guys. Let me tell you.
I'm gonna wait the line. You look a car. You look the car.
You stole my egg and my spoon. Anyway.
Mine. Bye-bye. It's clean on my blood.
150 staff members
true.
in our area are sick with the flu, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
So they closed the schools for Monday and Tuesday.
Me.
And I'll tell you, I wasn't even informed. I had to call my sister and ask her what the heck was going on. Well, she's in another school district, and they didn't get an excuse out, but everybody in this part did. Driving her to school, got there. I'm like, wait a minute, ain't that many kids? She went to the door. Went up and drive around to the front. I was like, I see like no cars. I see like 1 or 2 cars there. It's dark inside the building.
Mommy,
You want to eat some potato? Let me see if she could take the heat. It's not that hot. Besides, she just, what the heck? Dipping it in the juice.
My dear.
So far, would you like it? The egg in it, or you like it with the potatoes?
Both.
Mommy. Eat the mama.
Hmm?
Eat the mama.
What you gonna eat?
Eat the mama.
Mm-hmm.
Eat water.
That's not water. That's a sweet tea.
Tea? Yes. Tea and eggs.
Did you eat the other egg? No. Eat the egg you got.
Sit down.
No, not egg.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Hello, Daddy.
Okay. Oh, crap. I think she gonna trip, Sadie. Go make sure her foot ain't even scored.
Hey, Mommy. School.
Good.
Wait.
Seriously.
It unplugged. Ooh, baby. Oh, the car. I gotta cut back on the light. Why don't you go turn on TV for her and put her in that playpen? Make sure, well, take some of them toys out because she got like 3 or 4 toys in there. Is the bed good?
It's good.
Okay, here your phone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, my paper towel dirty. Anyway, got my corn, finna dip it. I tried not to put no salt or anything in it because I knew I was gonna have this sauce. Ooh, I got a burp. Hold on. Excuse me.
Come here, Mama. Come here.
Cool. It's not so hot anymore. So try it. Dipping it in there. Dipping it in there. Dipping it in there. I mostly got this so I can put the onions on. Come on, your foot.
My foot. Mama. You eating, Mama? Okay, Mama.
What you think?
Daddy, come here.
Good.
Come here.
In the sauce?
Yes, Mom.
Hey, come. Mama. Hello.
Really?
Let me tell her she said hello.
Mm-hmm. Anyway,
Keep
this is her second time trying the sauce, but
Mm.
it's her first time trying it with the eggs and the the eggs and stuff. So
I can't bite.
and the potatoes.
Mama. You eat the Mama? Yeah, you good.
Get down, baby. Get down.
Okay.
No, seriously. Like, get down, please. I'm trying to eat.
You eat the Mama? It's sweet, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet?
Can you please get down?
I'll get down.
Your egg is right here.
What?
Your egg.
I spicy.
It's not spicy.
I'm not spicy.
It's just the egg. Eggs are not spicy.
Spicy?
Sit in your chair.
Sit there. Egg and water.
But yep, no school.
Come here. Come here, say.
I'm shooting juice everywhere. I was like, man, I didn't even have to get up this morning. only other thing I'm happy about now is that I know for tomorrow. Okay. So I'll be waking up early tomorrow. Nope. Get to sleep in another day. Oh, actually I don't. Let's stop out. She got her interview for her school tomorrow. I don't know if it was for 9 or was it for 8.
So I get to go.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go early though. I'm gonna just go at 8
Yay.
since I don't remember what time. I'd rather be early and then like, Imani, you wanna go to school? You wanna go to school? You're gonna go to school.
So whenever
So you can go and learn.
Good.
Yeah, school so you can learn.
you'll be a pre-K. Fun pre-K.
Just good.
It's a development school. She needs speech, so figure out why not kill. No. Yeah.
No.
It's funny.
Kill one bird with 2 stones.
Because
You
I
gonna
don't want to
speak?
drink it anymore.
And go to school. You probably don't, because I wouldn't want to drink it.
I'm not drinking it.
You can get you some more. Hey, stop sticking toys in people's drinks. You hear me? Okay. That's not nice. Nobody wants to drink stuff when you put your hands in it.
Because I don't know if your hands are dirty or not.
It does not matter if our hands are clean or dirty. Nobody wants your hands in their drink. Ah.
It's not funny.
Do you want some corn? You want corn?
Corn, no.
Okay.
Did the eggs.
You want to go somewhere?
No, I don't want to go.
We are going somewhere, Money. Gotta be happy.
It's got a happy and spicy.
If she get into this school, you guys, I would only have to take care of Winter during the daytime until 4. And I feel like I could get a lot more done.
And then
Because Winter's a lot more chilled than Imani. Imani chill too in her own way, but Winter will take a nap.
It's called Winter.
Yeah, Winter will take a nap.
Okay, come on.
Winter eat her lunch.
You more Winter?
Winter's just a pretty good baby all around.
Goodbye.
You want some of this egg?
so you will have something all the time with Winter
Yucky.
Okay.
before we get out.
Oh, I feel like burping again, you guys. That was messed up burp, but it's still burping. I still need it.
You mind keep
Okay.
looking at the light?
A little bit better.
Bye, Teddy.
Ay.
It's bottled water.
Mm-hmm.
You just told I drink.
You can have that cup right now. Because I'm not drinking that enough.
Are you starting to get full? I feel like I need another paper towel.
The bunny.
You got some food on your chin too.
It's the bunny. Teacher.
But
I'm gonna eat some more of this potato because I really want some more of that egg and corn. I mean egg and the sauce in the Blovesauce. Oh my gosh. I actually need to buy the actual one because I want to see if my sauce tastes anything really literally like her sauce. Because I know I make mine a little bit on the sweeter side. And I know that certain things that she adds to hers, I don't add to mine. So I want to see if it's going to be anything similar. Or did I hear it right in the nail? My husband tasted it. He liked it. I was surprised he was still dipping his chicken in it because we had roasted chicken one night. I bought the rest of the sauce. And he was eating it. At first, I didn't think he was gonna like it because it's butter sauce, you know. But yeah, he was dipping away.
I was dipping it too.
Yeah, she was in there dipping too. That was the first time they tried it.
You don't in the pie?
Mm.
Why? The beanie. Wow!
No more.
You're tiny.
Mama.
You don't like it dipped in the sauce?
I do. But Mama.
You're messing up our...
Mama.
Oh, they make them.
One of my friends.
Don't stick my case in there.
Mama, one of my friends like your videos. And she watches it too.
Who was that?
Lily.
How she know about my videos?
Because she watches it. She watches it on YouTube.
How can you find me on YouTube?
She just watches it.
How you know she found me though?
She just liked the video. She just told me that she likes it and then she searched it up.
Why? You told her about it?
She watched it and then she asked me, can you search it up again? So I let her search up
Search up where?
your videos
How? Where?
Classing.
on YouTube
Where?
in Monroe.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like at school. That's why I was like, what? So what, you was sitting there with her watching my video?
But she likes her videos.
Hey, what is
Well, doesn't look like seeing you in it right now.
It's over water.
She likes seeing
Bubbles.
all of your videos.
No, I'm saying she gonna like this video because she gonna see you in it.
What's your hand up?
Say hey.
Hey.
Give her a shout out.
Hey.
We got one of the shout outs is Lily and some other people. But all the shout outs for today was Lily.
No.
No other friend.
Oh.
But anyone else? You pick Mama? Another shout out?
Yeah.
Mm.
Trey. Trey.
You want
Troy?
water?
And another one is Trey.
You know what it is, right?
I want a water cool.
Here you go.
You're talking about taste butter?
Like this.
No. You go to school with him.
Trey?
Bye-bye.
Where am I saying his name?
Bye.
Yeah.
How's this?
I'm trying to think.
I'm pretty sure it's
Trail?
Trey.
Trail.
Yeah. Trey. Oh my gosh. I just know too many people names that start with a T. I'm not playing. Her brother's name is Tay.
And yeah, and then he has another brother that is like name's Trey too.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
He used to be my stepbrother.
Oh, no.
Well, Trail has a page, a YouTube channel too. I don't know his YouTube channel name though.
Copy her.
I wish I knew it.
And don't forget to check out Star of Sky's channel.
Yeah.
Dude.
My niece has a channel. In fact, if you watch any of my videos, y'all probably seen her down in the comments. She's under her mom's name, Leola Cooper.
Let me copy.
And she might be down in the comments soon. I have a G now.
And don't forget to check out her Hot Ramen Noodle Challenge too.
I haven't watched it yet. I actually didn't get notified.
She let me watch it.
I'll wash it.
What kind of hot ramen noodles was she eating?
It was hot. It had drinks.
You know, like Which noodles? Like the ones I buy?
Bye-bye.
Like the regular pack and then she put some like hot sauce on it.
Baby, I don't know.
Oh, that's not hot. We used to eat noodles all the time. I used to drain it with so much hot sauce it looked red.
Ah! Hubby, homie. Okay, so...
That's the only way I used to love to eat ramen noodles. Drenched in hot sauce.
And then Star had milk and then Star had water.
Homie.
Huh?
I think. I know Star had water. No, milk. They both had milk.
I bet you I know who won.
Oh.
Sky. Did she?
Cause she likes more hot stuff than Star.
Mm-hmm.
After she ate one bite, she started drinking. The milk.
My last bite of this. Good. I flushed my food. Woo. I don't even know nobody even still say that anymore. Dang, I really ain't got no onions left, y'all. So good. Let's hurry up because I want to go and check out this house before it starts raining. You need to put on some pants, and I can't even use my dang case because she's got drinking stuff all in it now.
Here go.
All right, you guys, are you finished? Hope you guys like, comment, and
subscribe. Pick the notification button, and don't forget to hit the big thumbs up.
Yeah.
And share this video to all your friends and family.
For to anyone, everyone, and anyone who wants to watch a mukbang. I would sing a song, but the only songs I can think of is songs that other people already have. So yeah. So you know, comment in my next video and come and eat and treats with me. And sometimes guests. I will have Sadie in another video if y'all like her presence, even though right now to me throughout the whole video she looked like a deer in headlights. I'm sorry. She do. You did, because it's like you kept on opening up your eyes big. Oh, look, you be like. Oh my gosh, Imani. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, she took a picture like that. What is that? I don't know if we had that picture. I had it, but I cannot think of where it's at right now. But it was a picture she took when she was little. And I don't know what it is. I guess that's just, I don't know. I don't know if it's the camera or what. But in the picture, she had her eyes open like this. I don't know. Deer in headlights look. She's been doing it forever. I was just looking at a picture of her when she was 6 or 7.
6.
You're not even sure because you don't even know what picture I'm talking about.
You're talking about
when we was living in Monroe. Actually, when we was living in that trailer in Monroe before we came back here.
6.
No, you were 7 already. You were 7 already because I was pregnant when you turned 7.
I thought it was 8.
Mm-mm.
Oh yeah, because I was in 2nd grade.
Yeah. So, and she was so cute. I put her hair in this cute little hairstyle. She had this shirt on, and she had kind of pose like this.
Did I have a Santa hat?
No, but that picture was cute too. That one was real cute. Go, pee-pee. Go, pee-pee. Go help your sister. Tell him bye-bye. Go help your sister before she pee on herself.
Bye-bye. I just need to go and cut in the lights.
Yeah, but yeah, she is super cute, you guys. She's super cute. Right now, she's trying too hard to be cute, but super cute. I wish I could show you guys these pictures. Ugh. But if you want to be my friend on YouTube, you can look me up. I am Eugenia Ramos. I don't know how many of y'all gonna find, but I'm on there. So, bye.
Hey.
I got food in my teeth, guys.